1 and number 2. Number 3.
脱出番号を入力してください。脱出番領収書のありがとうございます。
Come on, there we go. Number 4. 5, number 6, and number 7. Number 8, number 9. Number 10. And number 11. Come on, yes. There we go. Number 12 and 13. Number 14 and 15. More traffic lights. Number 16. How much is this? 17? 18? Yep. More traffic lights. Number 18. Number 19. Yay! Oh, these are tobacco. Oh, another one. Number 22. 23 and 24. 25. 25. Oh, すごい. 26, 27, and 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 37. Oh, 38, 39, 40. I almost hit a pole. 41, 42, 43. 44 and another traffic light. 46, 47 on the other side of the road. 48, 49, 50, 51. Come on, focus. Yeah, there we go. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. That right there is a vending machine. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. I think I can also start counting people who are looking at me like I'm crazy. 66. Yeah, where's my finger? 67, 68. Is that another one? I don't know. Yes, it is. 69! Woo! 70 and 71. 72 and 73, 74, and a bonus police car. 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, and even more waiting. 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, oh, 95, 96, 95, 6, 7, 97, I think, and off to 7-Eleven. Hey ho, silver, away! 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107. Yes, 108, 109, 109, 110. I don't know, I don't remember. Well, anyway, I got 2 more right there. Oh, that's probably 111, 112. Yeah, that's my brake. Maybe I should fix that. 113. And 1 hill. Oh, come on. 114. 115, yes. 16 right there. 117. 118. 119. 120, 121, 122, 23, 24, 25, 26, 128, 128. And I am home. Yay! 128 vending machines on the way to school. That's a lot.